Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I'm giving you my top 3 reasons why your concealer might be making you look older than you want to look. So if you're someone that struggles with concealer looking creasy, looking cakey, looking dry, then you definitely want to stay tuned to this video. If you enjoy hair and makeup content, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all of the things. And without further ado, let's jump right on into this video. And before we jump into this video, I do want to thank Dossier for partnering with me on a small portion of today's video. So I'm going to pause for just a minute and tell you why I love them so much. Let's talk about one of my favorite things on the planet. Dossier perfumes. You guys have heard me talk about them month after month after month, and that is because I'm obsessed with them. They are a luxury inspired perfume company that you can get your favorite fragrances that you normally will spend hundreds of dollars on for a fraction of the cost. Their perfumes and colognes go from like $29 to $49, I believe. And so I have a few to share with you for this month. And these two are actually brand new fragrances for me. So this is what it comes in when you buy one of their fragrances, and it comes with a little insert that talks all about your fragrance. Each of these is inspired by a very popular fragrance. So this one is actually inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry perfume. It has notes of cherry, almond, cinnamon, jasmine, vanilla, and some other things. Again, this is a brand new one from Dossier. I'm gonna spray a little bit on here so I can see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. Wow, you can really smell that cherry in there. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And I might end up wearing this one today. Obsessing over that. If you guys have followed me and have heard me talk about Dossier, then you know I do have a discount code with them. I'm telling you, I will never spend high dollar for perfume or cologne ever again. I have everyone turned on to them. I must have really been into the berries this month when I was choosing because this one is called Woody Rasberry, inspired by Lady Milan perfume. This is again another new fragrance from Dossier. Again, I'm gonna spray it right on there. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I can smell the lemon in it. It's like a very light lemon fragrance. It smells so good. I do think I'm gonna go for the Ambery Cherry today. Oh, I just really love this. Okay, so if you have not jumped on the Dossier bandwagon, check the description box below. I'll have all of their information, as always, linked. I'll have these 2 perfumes that I just tested out today for the first time linked below, as well as some of my all-time favorites. And thank you so much, Dossier, for partnering with me on a small portion of today's video. All right, reason number 1 why your concealer might be making you look older than you want to look is that you are not prepping your skin properly. If you've heard that saying, your makeup is never gonna look better than what your skin looks, it's true. There's no other way to put it. It is true. You have got to take care of your skin in order for your makeup to look its absolute best. If you have dry skin, if you have texture on your skin, if you're not exfoliating on a regular basis and getting rid of the dead skin, your makeup is just not going to lay as beautifully as it could. As we age, as we get a little older, our skin just starts to lack moisture. I've already prepped my skin today, but I have not gone in with my under eye cream. This is my current absolute fave. It is a little on the pricey side, not gonna lie. This is the Caudalie Premier La Creme, the eye cream. Basically, it's the Caudalie The Eye Cream, and this just does something very magical. You just kind of press that out. I'm just gonna put on just a tiny bit. Hydrating the under eyes is simply going to make sure that your concealer is not going to cling to any weird dry patches. The drier your under eyes are, the worse your concealer is going to look. You want to let your eye cream sit for about a good 5 to 10 minutes before you ever apply any type of makeup to that area. And while I'm letting that sink in, we're gonna go into the second reason why your concealer is making you look older, and that is because you're not choosing the right formula of concealer. If you're someone that has more mature skin, if your skin is on the drier side, you're not going to be able to use a super matte concealer formula. What I opt for is lighter, more hydrating type of concealers for my under eyes. They sit much better. They look smoother under the eyes. If you think about having dry skin and then you put on a matte concealer, anything that's matte is going to make you look drier. That's kind of its purpose. It's supposed to take away any oil, any shine. Kind of like if you have oily skin and you go in with a matte foundation, that kind of mattifies that oily look. Well, when you have more mature skin or drier skin, you're trying to combat that dryness. So you need something that's a little more hydrating. These are my current favorites. This one, if you're looking for drugstore, is amazing. This is the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. Has good coverage. It's not full coverage. So this is definitely more of like an everyday concealer in my opinion. My next one that has just been a holy grail of mine for many years. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. These are great for a high-end, more hydrating concealer formula. I feel like this is a formula that kind of looks good on all skin types. This is definitely one if you really love NARS or you're looking for something high-end. This is definitely a good one. My most recent one that I have fallen in love with, it's the one that I reach for the absolute most. This is the Kosas Revealer Concealer. This is an incredibly hydrating concealer. It stays put, it has amazing coverage, and it's just so good. And my other really favorite one right now is this one. It's not drugstore, but it's also not high-end. This is the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Radiance Concealer. Beautiful formula, hydrating, does not look dry, does not seep into my fine lines and wrinkles. One thing I'm gonna mention, and this is just the fact of the matter, our under eyes are going to crease some. Like, that is just the nature of your skin and your face. When you are smiling and you're making facial expressions and your face is moving, the makeup is going to move a little bit. It's almost impossible to get absolutely no creasing because it's just the science of our face and moving our face. Those are the most hydrating concealers in my opinion. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do my foundation so that we can get to the concealer portion of my makeup routine. Okay, foundation is on, and I actually went in with my Lava Art Cushion Foundation. This is the Glow Foundation. Love this foundation. So this leads us to the third reason why your concealer might be making you look older, and that is applying too much product underneath of the eyes. When I'm applying my foundation, I don't bring it all the way up underneath of my eyes because that's another layer before applying your concealer. I only apply my foundation to about right here. There is no product at all underneath of my eyes. You can even take a baby wipe and wipe off a little bit of that foundation from underneath of the eye if you feel like it got pulled too high up underneath of the eye, so that you have that blank canvas to apply your concealer. When you think about layering makeup, the more layers you have, the cakier your makeup can get. The best way to keep those under eyes looking nice and smooth is to have the least amount of product. I'm gonna take the Kosas Revealer Concealer. This is in the shade 2.5. I'm literally going to add a tiny bit, because this is where I get the darkest. I like to just go a little bit right in there, a little bit on that outer corner just to help lift. And the reason I kind of leave this blank is because as you blend this out, it's going to migrate over here and give you that extra coverage that you need. I like to take a damp beauty blender. It's not wet, it's just a little bit damp. And if you want your concealer to look a little more full coverage, you can let it sit for a few minutes before blending it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and start to just blend that in. A beauty blender does typically pick up a little bit of product, but in my opinion, this helps with the under eyes so that my under eyes are not getting more product than what is necessary. It just looks so beautiful. It covered up any dark circle that I might have. So I've got some darkness that I get right on this inner corner especially, and it just brightened up the under eye just a tiny bit. I used a concealer that was only about 1 shade lighter than my skin tone. You can go even brighter if you want and go 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. It's 1 layer of makeup. This is the best way for your concealer to look as hydrated and youthful as it can. All right, I know I said 3 reasons, but I'm gonna give you guys a bonus reason why your concealer might be making you look older, and that is because you are applying too much powder. If you have more mature skin, if you have fine lines and wrinkles, if you have a little bit of sagging, baking is not going to be it for you. All of that powder is literally going to draw any moisture out from underneath of the eyes and make your under eyes look very dry. But on the other hand, we want our concealer to stay in place. We don't want it slipping and sliding all around. So I like to make sure to set my under eyes with a little bit of powder. Wait for your concealer to completely dry down. Once it is dry, you're gonna take your beauty blender, tap out any creases that have been created from just moving your face around while it was drying down. So you can see, like, even on this side right here, I have a few little creases. Tap that out. You're gonna take a powder, whatever type of powder you like. This is my favorite one currently. This is the Kosas Cloud Set. This is a compact formula. You can also use a loose powder and take a small little brush like this. This is the Morphe M438 brush. Dip that in there. Right before I set, I go in, tap out any of those creases, and then look up and just press that in to that under eye to set that concealer. And then that side is set. And as you can see, it looks so smooth. This Cloud Set is just, it's such a good powder. Again, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and then look up and press. And now my under eyes are set for the day. Okay friends, that is it for today's video. If you put these tips into practice, I promise you your concealer is gonna be having you feeling youthful and beautiful. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.